Cape Town, known as the Western Cape, is a city filled with so much history and culture. It is considered to be one of South Africa's most historically important cities. It was here in the mother city where the first European colonists set foot in South Africa. Some of the most historic landmarks in Cape Town include Robben Island, Table Mountain, Cape of the Good Hope, St. George's Cathedral, Groot Constantia Trust, V&A Waterfront, and so many more. Today we are visiting one of the historic neighborhoods called Bo-kaap. This area is located close to the Signal Hill on the fringe of the city center. This neighborhood originates from the apartheid during the 1760s, and it was built and leased to the slaves by the Dutch. This neighborhood is formerly known as the Malay Quarter, as it was inhabited by the Cape Malays. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Happy Muncher. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm out here in the most beautiful street of Cape Town. This 19th century landmark of Cape Town is the Muslim community, and what makes it stand out is the colorful building and the rich culture about it. So I'm here just exploring it, so I'm taking you guys along so that we spend maybe 1 or 2 hours here just walking around so that I can show you guys. Let us walk a bit and see what this place is all about. As I mentioned previously, this neighborhood is now home to the Muslim community here in Cape Town. Over the years, it became one of the most touristic attractions as tourists are fascinated by these buildings and they visit it to take interesting pictures. You can visibly see the colorful buildings. There's pink, green, blue, peach, brown, you name it all, and some people call this a happy place because the colors make them happy. So this is the Muslim community here in Cape Town. These houses were initially white in color, but when the slaves became able to purchase them, they decided to paint them with bright colors as a symbol of freedom. In this place you can find a lot of art museums or galleries. There's just a bunch of them. Wow, look at these beautiful colors. So satisfying to be here. There's also lots of tourists here, a bunch of tourists. And as you can see behind these beautiful buildings, there is Table Mountain, this famous Table Mountain here in Cape Town. And yeah.
The weather's lovely. Remember, it's
and right on the street you can find a few stalls that are selling souvenirs here of Cape Town. some of the things that you can also find here is like a lodge. Like right here, it's a lodge, and people do live here, guys. You can find a lodge, cafes, restaurants, and so much more. It's really big, guys. It goes all the way down to the end. So I'm not gonna walk much. Today is such a beautiful day because the sun is out, and yeah, we don't get much of the sun here in Cape Town, but today there is a bit of sun. Okay, there's a beautiful house here. I just want to quickly take a picture of it. So one of the most interesting things about this area is the paving with rocks here, and it's got narrow roads. It's got that European architecture, so the roads are narrow and there's pavement here, but there's some parts which are tarred, like over there. But here it's got like, it's paved with these rocks or stones, whatever it is. Okay guys, this is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos with your family and friends, and also click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo